Hello fellow sparkle lovers and welcome again to my floor. My name is Netta and we will see today I will be unboxing two kits of a new design that will be available in the store in July 20th. It is the Echoes of Spring. Today is June 29th, I think, but I'm going to get it up, so I'm doing this video now. But you will see it a few days before the release. As per usual, our kits come in square and in round drills, so we will see them both. I will try to keep it short. Okay, let's start with the square first. This is the round one. Okay, let's start with the square first. I'm going to lay it to rest a little flat. I have to warn you that this kit is not for the faint of the heart. If you don't like confetti, steer away. It's not for you because it is very confetti heavy, and once you see the artwork, you will understand why. Now, let's see first the color palette because it is beautiful. Zina wants to check it too. Isn't that pretty? Look at all these colors. We will see the colors close. And are you ready to see the artwork? This is the Echoes of Spring. Isn't she gorgeous? Okay, in the square kit we have 80 colors, including 5 ABs and 6 Cupid dust. Now, I will not show you where exactly the drills go on the canvas because they are spread all around. It's not easy. It's the artwork, the way it's made, that it's not easy to have them grouped. Okay, and here she is in all her glory. Then let me see if you see here. Good. The canvas is the size, I forgot, is 50 by 70 centimeters. It's very confetti heavy, as I told you. We have a soft silk flannel canvas, very soft and thick, with scalloped and poked edges, and of course the glue is poured and very sticky. And the good with this canvas, it's quite heavy and thick, so you see I didn't even roll it back and it's already flattened out. It has some wrinkles here, but it's just because the plastic has shifted as it was rolled in the box, and with all the movement from the mainland. But let's go fast because I don't want to keep too long, and because I want to finish the video and get up this beauty. And yes, I will do the square one. We will see the colors very fast. As I said, I'm not going to tell you where exactly you will see them because the colors are spread all around the canvas, so wherever you see that color, the probabilities of have some cupid dust or AB are more than high. Okay. $152, $154, and I dropped it. $413. Now I lost. Where are you? Come on. $413. 500. $169. $225. $310. $317. $352. $355. $356. $501. $517. $524. $535. $597. $598. $816. $606. $760. $775. $779. $794. $807. Hang on, we have a lot more to go. $817. $819. $828. $902. $924. $927. $930. $931. $932. $939. $947. $950. $992. 993, 3041, 3042, 3072, 3328, 3340, 3712, 3722, 3727, 3743, 3750, 3752, 3753, 3760, 3770, 3761, 3765, 3768, 3778, 3779, 3787, 3808, 3814, 3816, 3847, 3849, 3858, 3859, 3860, 3861, 3863, white 5200, and we go to the specials. A beautiful orange AB 947. If you're new and you don't know what AB stands for, it stands for Aurora Borealis, and that is because it has a shimmering coating on the top of it, an iridescent coating that imitates the lights of the northern lights, and that's how it got its name. Another beautiful mint AB 964. A blue AB 996. Look at that, it's gorgeous. ZG 162. ZG is the Cupid dust. It means it has a shimmering coating like a very thin glitter on top of it, but it is embedded on it, so it will not go out on your hands and everywhere else. But it gives a more subtle shimmer on the canvas. ZG 402, another Cupid dust, a burnt orange color. A very nice red Cupid dust, ZG 606. A dark blue Cupid dust, ZG 83. ZG 823. Another AB, blue, light blue, AB 3766. Another AB, pink, reddish pink, AB 3830. It's more like coral. To me it seems brownish, but in the camera it's more orangey red, but My eyes see it as brownish. 38.30. Cupid dust, 37.99. Now that's a dark grey one, a pewter grey. And the last one is a Cupid dust. Again, it's a burnt orange, brownish, orangish, reddish color. ZG 3830. I didn't go through the toolkit because I think right now we all know how to use it. If you are new and don't know how to use it, there are referral images on the top of sorry, I'm trying to make it focus. Okay. On the back of the box, when you receive your diamond painting kit, it has instructions, and you also have instructions on how to use it on your inventory and sticker sheet. What I have to say is that you have a paper sheet, an inventory, simple paper, and you also have a sticker sheet. The stickers are pre-cut and easy to put them in your baggies or on containers or however you like to work on. And as you already saw, the drills are pre-packed in baggies, so if you like to work from the baggies, you can start working right away. I'm sorry for passing my hand in front of the camera, but I do it to make it focus again. Now I will only show you, I will not open the drills on the round canvas, I will just open it to have a quick look. There are no many differences, but since the drills are larger on the round canvas and we keep the size ratio same, there will be some small differences, but here are all the colors. In the round we have a little less colors, you have 78 instead of 80, the square one has, and we have 5AB, and 6 fairy dust again, same as on square. And this is the canvas on the round kit. Okay. Don't forget that every time we have a new release for the next 3 days, we have a special offer, buy one get another one kit for 30% off. It will be the same in this release. For more information, you can visit our website, and the information are on the description below, the link. Thank you so much for joining me. I have 3 more kits to show you for this release, so don't forget to like, subscribe, so you don't miss them, and tell me in the comments, would you dare do a heavy confetti kit like that? Until the next time, bye!